Ali, wait for Mama.
Ali, wait. I'm going at the slide. Yeah, I did it. Hi guys. Today we're at the new longest slide in Norway. I'm gonna take you to the slide and I'm gonna try it. Is it that big or is it small? Come, let's take the biggest slide. Now we're taking the long slide, the big one. Okay? Oh, he's gonna be scared. But he's going!
Ali, wait for Mama.
Ali, wait! My little brother is so not scared. He's ready to go alone. It's nothing up there, but it's a very cool place. It's all flat. I think you can eat the food up here. Look, guys, you can also, guys, look. We can also hold here, and we can try to hold long. And then you can just sit. I'm going at the slide. Yeah, I did it! Kaya good! Oh! It's so fun! Again! Is it ready? Look, Aina, så det gøyere. If we close your eyes like this, it's even more funner. Oh no, come in,
Yay!
Ooh, they're very fast, right?